Huge tow trucks, equipped with massive cranes that can handle the most daunting of tasks, from hauling buses to transporting mammoth trucks, rescuing broken down vehicles from the roads, and whisk them away to repair facilities. These are the 10 most powerful tow trucks in the world. 10. EUROTOW 45. In urban areas, this 4-axle tow truck built by Jige International Corporation is the ideal option for speedy and efficient servicing. This truck is equipped with a primary crane, 2 lifting cylinders, and a hydraulically expanded telescoping towing arm. The truck features 2 extendable supports, a hydraulic recovery system, and remote control operation, in addition to its amazing towing capacity. The truck's towing arm can pull up to 45 tons, and thanks to its great power and agility, it can easily manage even the largest trucks. Overall, this 4-axle tow truck is a dependable and adaptable machine that works well for towing and recovery tasks in metropolitan areas. 9. DAFCF. Statham's motor engineers have got a beast of a machine at their disposal. This 2-axle tow truck is a workhorse that can pull colossal vehicles effortlessly, even over vast distances. With a commanding length of 6.1 meters, a width of 2.4 meters, and a towering height of 4 meters, this mammoth machine means business. But wait, there's more. The truck packs a punch with its 530 horsepower engine, which delivers a jaw-dropping 2,600 Newton-meters of torque. It's loaded with a mobile recovery crane, 2 self-recovery winches, and a lower lift arm. And get this, the cherry on top, a retractable axle that morphs it into a 3-axle vehicle. Statham's team is ready for any challenge that comes their way with this monstrous machine. 8. ROTATOR 1175. This is a heavy-duty tow truck engineered by Jige International. It integrates extensions and elevation systems to ensure top-notch performance during demanding tasks. Its robust design ensures maximum reliability on challenging assignments. Weighing 22 tons and measuring 11 meters in length, 2.4 meters in width, and 4.1 meters in height, this tow truck comes equipped with hydraulic rear stabilizers and a lower lifting platform. Additionally, it boasts 2 winches, each with a 70-meter-long cable and a combined capacity of 27 tons. The crane on this tow truck extends to 16 meters and can lift up to 270 tons per meter, making it a force to be reckoned with during heavy-duty tasks. 7. Boniface Recoverer. Get ready to witness the ultimate superhero on wheels, the large recovery truck that's specifically built to rescue people in emergency situations. Equipped with not 1, but 2 60-meter-long automated recovery winches, with a whopping total capacity of 28 tons, this truck is a force to be reckoned with. It boasts a central lower lift, with a capacity of 33 tons, along with 2 lateral stabilizers, providing superior stability during recovery operations. But wait, there's more. This magnificent machine features a 3-stage recovery crane with a maximum capacity of 45 tons, capable of extending and lifting simultaneously, making it the ultimate lifesaver on wheels. With such impressive features, it's no wonder this truck is the go-to choice for emergency recovery operations. 6. ER122,000L4. The Turkish company, Erkin World Power, designed this cutting-edge tow truck for current use. This outstanding machine has hydraulic stabilizers and a spinning articulated arm with a stunning 120-ton capacity. This tow truck's crane can lift up to 270 tons per meter and extends to a length of 16 meters, making it a formidable force for heavy-duty work. It is a true heavyweight champion, measuring 10.6 meters in length, 4 meters in height, and weighing 34 tons. Equipped with 4 self-recovery winches, the tow truck can effortlessly tow cars weighing up to 32 tons, with a total pulling weight capacity of 60 tons. Additionally, it can lift weights of up to 40 tons and tow 32-ton vehicles with ease. Its unique horizontal lifting feature even enables it to rescue stranded automobiles that may be stuck under bridges or in tunnels. 5. Volvo FH 16750. The northwest of England and North Wales rely on this highly efficient 5-axle rigid recovery vehicle to maximize productivity. This vehicle is specifically designed for retrieving automobiles and features extensible side supports and a powerful crane with 2 recovery winches. What sets this truck apart is its top-of-the-line recovery system, which includes a 75-ton rotor developed by Miller Industries in the United States and installed in England. This system is renowned for its exceptional stability, and combined with the truck's 750 horsepower engine, it is an unstoppable force in the world of vehicle recovery. 4. Century 1150. The 50-ton rotator recovery vehicle from Miller Industries is made specifically to manage the most difficult driving conditions and efficiently reduce traffic congestion. The truck's 3-stage crane, which has a hydraulic crane that can rotate 360 degrees, can lift up to 60 tons of weight, stretch up to 6.3 meters in length, and reach heights of up to 12.5 meters. Thanks to its exceptional maneuverability, the truck can move up to 1.5 meters, even when carrying heavy loads and turning. Moreover, its lowest elevator can lift weights of up to 25 tons, while its 50-ton capacity hydraulic system can handle loads with ease. Overall, the Miller Industries 50-ton rotator recovery truck is a powerful and versatile vehicle, capable of handling even the most challenging recovery operations. 3. Century 9055 XL. Behold, the superhero of heavy-duty towing and recovery trucks, designed to rescue vehicles stranded in hazardous conditions. Manufactured by Miller Industries in the United States. This truck is the ultimate solution for heavy-duty recovery operations involving a variety of automobiles, including buses and trucks. With a mighty 50-ton capacity, 3-stage recovery crane that stretches up to 7 meters in length and can reach heights of 9 meters, this beast can handle even the most challenging recovery missions. Its high mobility allows it to maneuver into tight spaces with ease, and with a whopping capacity of 22 tons, it's capable of handling large loads without breaking a sweat. So, the next time you find yourself in a tight spot, don't fret. The Miller Industries towing and recovery truck is here to save the day. 2. Century M100. This top-of-the-line 5-axle rotator tow truck was made to perform the most demanding tasks. Made by Miller Industries, the top producer of towing and recovery equipment in the world. This truck is a force to be dealt with, since it is outfitted with a hydraulic crane that can reach a whopping height of 16 meters and a turret with a travel length of 3.5 meters. With a massive 29-ton capacity and a length of 76 meters, the main winch can easily lift huge items. The crane's special controller, which allows for remote control operation for added convenience and safety, is the icing on the cake. But that's not all, folks. This powerhouse of a machine can lift not one, but 2 trucks, weighing over 43 tons each, making it an invaluable asset in any recovery operation. 1. CSR 85. NRC Industries, a Canadian manufacturer, designed a robust recovery truck from scratch to achieve maximum lifting capacity in challenging situations. This vehicle is 12 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, and 3.4 meters high. It has front and rear stabilizers, along with 27-ton winches. This heavy-duty truck is ideal for vehicle recovery operations and can be fitted with specialized equipment as required. The crane is 11.8 meters in length and has an impressive lifting capacity of 85 tons, while also having the ability to rotate continuously by 360 degrees. Let me know in the comment section below what vehicle you love to see next. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and tell your friends about it so we can make more like it. Click the subscribe button to see more content like this, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Check out our other videos as well if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.